Greetings, I'm Barbara J. Faison, your mindfulness and meditation ambassador, and I'm with my friend Regenna London, who is the creator of the 40-day plan and life coach. Her website is Tuning Up Life, and I am honored that she is the first interviewee for my conversations about meditation. Stay tuned, it will be on my YouTube channel, Barbara Faison, where we will talk about meditation. I want you to share the story about the barber shop because I think that was a perfect example of being in practice with the practice of meditation. So I'll let you share that story.
I went to the barbershop, and normally I'm the first person there because I usually go. I have my routine,
Yeah.
but broke routine, and went on a different day. So I called my barber, and this is funny. I texted him and said, "Are you there? Can you see me?" And he sent back saying "cooling," and I'm like, that's young people talk. What does that mean, right? So then I called him because I'm like, I don't know. That means to me, if I said cooling, that means I'm chilling out at home,
Right?
for the rest of the day. So I don't know. So let me call. I called and he said, no, that means yeah, you can come.
Okay.
So I get there expecting, of
something new
course,
today.
as usual, to jump right in the chair,
Mhm.
and he's got someone there, and I'm like, oh, okay. So I
Okay.
sit down, and there's three television sets on, and a music is playing, and then there's all this talking going on, and it was like, and I'm utter chaos,
Ah,
you know. So what I did was I just closed my eyes and I started meditating, just focusing on myself, like tuning all of that noise out. Because I was thinking, some people, actually, I thought Barbara wouldn't be able to stand all this noise.
I would have done just what you
But
did. Try to tune out.
so I said, let me just try to tune some of this out, because it was like the news was on, and then the music and all the talking, you know, and I just sit there, and I was just able to go into a space, and then, and after a while I heard like, Miss Regina, and it kind of startled me. So that's why I know I was really in a meditative space. And he says, "Oh, I saw you over there meditating. That's some good stuff." And I'm like, it was. I was so proud of myself. Like,
Yes, yes.
look, in the middle of chaos, I was able to tune out
Yes.
of all of that and to connect with myself. And that was the much better use of my time,
Yes.
than and what a great use of my time,
Yes.
just
Yes.
to focus on myself, and, to tune in, and instead of being caught up into all of this stuff that does not bring value to my life.